Hello, this is just a short video to help you with creating line graphs in Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you a quick function called Sparkline. If we start by highlighting D2 down to I7, just there, and go to Insert Chart. Now the default chart that's been provided is a column chart, but maybe I'd prefer to have a different type of chart. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to take a line chart. Now, ideally, what I'd like to have is the unit names along the x-axis. And so what we're going to do is just click here, switch rows and columns. And you'll see that it's changed. So now we have unit 2, 3, 4, and 5. But what I'm going to do is just turn this selection off and back on again. And you'll see now what's happened is we've got the 5 units and we've got the names we want at the top. We can change the name of the graph just by double clicking here and make it a progress chart for class 70. And there's various other things you can do. So if you click on the chart, there's a little button here called the snowman button. If we click on here, it brings up and click edit the chart. On the right hand side, it brings up a bunch of menus. So I'm going to click customize, and I'd like to add a y-axis label. So I'm going to click here and click to select vertical axis title, and I'm going to call this the percentage score for each unit. So let me take that. If I click off, you'll see that it's added that in on the y-axis. So one last moment then, I'd like just to click in J3, and I'm going to teach I'm going to type equals Sparkline, and open brackets. If I drag over the data just there and push enter, you'll see that it's created a mini graph inside the cell. Now, we have to be a little bit careful. There's no axes, and you'll see that for Sarah Smart, the lines are very, very flat. But because it's been compressed in the cell, it looks like there's a lot of variation. We could drag the cell this way a little bit, so you can see a little bit more extended. There's also other options that you can use with a bit more practice to adjust the scale. For now, we'll just leave it there. I'm going to just drag this down so that you can see the graph for each student. And that's about it. Thanks.